in the heart of time where the stones embrace Ribchester.
The Roman site at Ribchester, Bremetenacum Veteranorum, comprised a fort and civilian settlement, or vicus. The earliest Roman fort in Ribchester was established in about 72 AD as part of a network of defensive forts across the north of the new Roman Province of Britannia. This first iteration of the fort, which stood for about 60 years, was built from timber with a rampart constructed from turf topped with a wooden palisade. The vicus was also the site of the Roman baths, the most substantial stone-built construction outside the fort, and at least 2 temples fulfilling important social and religious functions.
Stories of courage in the tales they told, through the cobbled pathways and the echoes so sweet, in the shadows of history, our hearts find their beat. Rebuilt in stone as the years went by, gatehouses and towers reaching high, a settlement thrived in the hands of the brave, where soldiers once walked, now memories wait. Barracks of timber, sturdy yet kind, holding the essence of the life left behind. In a soldier's eyes, you could see the dream. In the heart of Ribchester, time's gentle stream. Oh, Ribchester, where the ages unfold, stories of courage in the tales they told, through the cobbled pathways and the echoes so sweet, in the shadows of history, our hearts find their beat. Each stone a chapter, each street a song, in the tapestry woven where we all belong, a fortress of strength, of love and of fear. Ribchester spirit will always be near. From timber to stone, through the wheels of fate, the story survived, no time can abate. In the echoes of laughter, the soldiers refrain. In the heart of each ruin, the spirits remain. So let us remember, let history sing of the lives intertwined and the joy they bring. With each dawn that rises over ancient lands, in Ribchester's arms, the past understands. So come and wander through the echoes of time, where the past breathes softly in rhythm and rhyme. In Ribchester's heart, as the stories unfold, we'll cherish the whispers that history told.